How to use Apple Pay. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Apple Wallet application. Once you do, log in with your account details. Once logged in the home page at the top right corner, you see the option of plus. Simply click on it and from here you can simply choose any one of the option. Once chosen, simply click on Continue to add money to your wallet account. If you want to choose a different card, simply choose the option of Add a different card. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to use Apple Wallet. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.